birthday, Alia.
God bless you. Thank you for coming into our lives. You made our life so beautiful. You're the best daughter one can ever have. And you're the cutest sister that Kabir could ever have. Kabisha, happy birthday. Happy birthday. Chukisha, happy birthday. Happy birthday. Bow bow.
Happy birthday, Alia. Somebody's turned 7 today. Such wonderful 7 years, Alia. You've turned out to be such a doll, a darling, a kind and a very sweet soul. And when we meet every day, your full volume chatter bursts my ears. But the day you're going to be quiet is a day that we're going to wonder what's wrong, Alia. And every night before you go to sleep, I love the way you say your prayers. You bless your friends. You bless everybody who's unwell. You thank the Lord for everything you've got. And you know, now I'm sure, Alia, I love you more than you could ever love me. There. Happy birthday.
Okay. Hi, Alia. Happy birthday. Have a wonderful day. Enjoy yourself, okay?
Hi Alia, happy 7th birthday. I know you're becoming a big girl. Keep doing the hard work and make your parents proud. And we all miss you. Wish we could be there with you on your special day, but we cannot be there, especially with what is happening in this world now. So hope to see you soon. Enjoy your birthday. Have a great time and love to you. Bye-bye.
Birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, dear Alia.
Happy birthday to you.
Lots and lots of hugs, love, kisses from Badi Nani. Have a beautiful day, baby.
Hi Alia, happy birthday. God bless you, beta. May you have lots of fun. May you be very blessed. May you win lots of medals and trophies in skating and everything else that you try.
May you have a wonderful day and many more to come.
And kisses from baby brother Amay.
Yeah.
Sweetie Pie Alia, how are you, sweetheart? A very, very happy birthday on your very, very special day. I know your mama, papa, nanima and Chota Kabir Bhai would be giving you a very gala time. I wish I was there to be with you and eat all the goodies that you're going to eat. I miss you and look forward to having you all in Karnal. Bye, sweetheart. All the best.
Hi Alia, here's wishing you a very happy birthday, which is on the 11th. So have a great one. These are tough times, unprecedented times. So of course you will celebrate the birthday within the four walls. So you may not get a chance to interact much with your friends during this specific birthday, but I think as long as you are with your mummy and papa, which I think they're going to make sure that you have a gala time. So enjoy yourself and we'll see you soon. I'm in Delhi, by the way, so I will see you, hope to see you very soon. Thank you, take care.
Hey Alia, a very, very happy birthday. There is one, my very special niece, most special one. You're so pretty, cute, sweet, loving, kind, gentle, strong, intelligent, everything. You are just super, amazing. And then I keep hearing that you get these awards from time to time in maths and skating and this and that. So now, very soon, we should meet. It's been a long time. And we'll celebrate your birthday here in Karnal when you come here with Kabir. He hasn't been to Karnal as yet. And after your birthday party, you give me some maths lessons because I'm very, very bad at maths, okay? And I'm sure your mummy and papa would be giving you a very nice time on this special day. So you have a good time with mummy, papa, Kabir and Nani, and see you very soon. Lots and lots of love. Mwah, mwah, mwah.
Happy birthday, sweetheart. I'm Malka Mami from Karnal. Wishing you all the happiness, lots of joy. So, what are you doing today? I'm very sure your mama papa must have given you very enjoyable time. So, bye bye. See you soon in Karnal. Bye. Lots of love to Kabir also. Happy birthday once again.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Hi Alia, happy birthday. May God bless you, and I hope Mama Papa gives you many presents today. When Mamu, Mami and Ritanya will come to India, then we'll have a big party. Okay? Till then, you have a good day and I love you. Bye.
Happy birthday, Alia. Hope you have a great day, baby. May God bless you with lots and lots of love, laughter and happiness. Hoping to see you soon.
Dear Alia, wow, you are turning 7. Wishing you a great day and a lovely year ahead. And hope to see you soon, beta. Lots of love. Have a great day. Lots of hug. Love you.
Hi Alia, happy birthday. I hope you have a very good day and enjoy and make the most of it. And happy birthday from Rishi and mom also, and Nani also. Have fun.
Hi Alia, happy birthday. Hope you're having an amazing day. Lots of love.
Happy birthday, Alia. Hope you have a great birthday. Lots of love from Ashish and Ashwin.
Hello Alia, a very happy birthday to you beta. Enjoy your day, God bless.
Happy birthday Alia.
Happy birthday, dear Alia. We love you.
Happy birthday Alia.
Happy birthday Alia.
Happy birthday, Alia Didi. Here is your cake made by Adre. Enjoy. Have a very good birthday. Take care. Say bye, Didi. Enjoy. Bye bye.
Happy birthday, Alia Didi. You're the best sister ever. I miss you. And see you soon. Happy birthday, Alia. God bless you. Lots of wishes, lots of love. Have a great day. Have a great year. Mwah. Happy birthday, Alia. May God bless you. Have a beautiful day.